In a response to the lawsuit, Heard accused Depp of physically assaulting her throughout their relationship, often while he was under the influence of alcohol or drugs. In an April 2019 filing, Heard described 10 instances where she says Depp assaulted her, stretching from 2012 to the final encounter in 2016 that led to the restraining order and divorce. Depp's claims are an attempt to mislead the trier of fact into thinking that one incident in 2016, out of dozens of violent episodes throughout the couple's relationship, is the only possible basis for Ms. Heard's perspective as a domestic abuse victim, her lawyers wrote. Heard alleged Depp started to get violent about a year into their relationship, when she says he started drinking and doing drugs again and would become a totally different person, often delusional and violent. She said the first time Depp hit her was in late 2012 or early 2013, when she laughed at what she believed was a joke. He responded by slapping me across the face multiple times, Heard wrote. Each hit was harder than the one before. I did not respond physically or verbally, I froze, whether out of fear or shock, and I went home without saying a word, Heard wrote in a court filing. These violent outbursts escalated over the next 4 years, according to Heard. She described her fear that Depp would kill her during one incident in August 2015, when he picked a fight with her on a train in Southeast Asia, grabbing her throat and pushing her against a wall. I remember being afraid that Johnny might not know when to stop, and that he might kill me, Heard wrote. In one particularly jarring account, Heard describes a violent 3 days spent with Depp in a hotel room in Australia, where she says he attacked her multiple times. In one of the most horrific and scariest moments of this 3-day ordeal, Johnny grabbed me by the neck and collarbone and slammed me against the countertop, Heard wrote. I struggled to stand up as he strangled me, but my arms and feet kept slipping and sliding on the spilled alcohol and were dragged against the broken glass on the countertop and floor, which repeatedly slashed my feet and arms. Heard admitted to punching Depp once, but only to protect her sister, who she said intervened in one of their disputes. In August 2020, Heard filed a counterclaim against Depp. She accused him of defamation in turn, alleging he lied about her in an interview with British GQ and other articles. She also claimed he was behind an online harassment campaign. This stream of false and defamatory accusations against Ms. Heard is all in an attempt to ruin her life and career, simply because she was a victim of domestic abuse and violence at the hands of Mr. Depp, and had the audacity and temerity to finally come forward to end the abuse and violence, her attorneys wrote.